Let's be honest, minivans don't always get the respect they deserve. So today we're checking out this 27 Chrysler Pacifica. It might be one of the smartest vehicles out there on the road you can buy if you have kids, carry passengers, or take road trips. This could be a great vehicle for you. I prepared a script today to go over all the different features on this one. Here's a Select, and there's lots of other ones coming out. This one, the color is called Red Hot Pearl Coat. So this is the Chrysler Pacifica Select. There's 4 trim levels available in this van, and today's video I'm just going to be going over an overview on what those look like. The Swiss Army knife of minivans. It's your mark here at Molle Dodge Dude KC. 2027 Chrysler Pacifica, they updated the exterior, the new front fascia. You can see they have the lights on here that go down, unlike before. They also go around the back for the new wing badge from Chrysler. They've added that for the 2027 model year. So it looks cleaner, more modern. You can see that new design logo they have on there. And also includes 5 new wheel designs, new exterior colors across the lineup, guys. So might check that out if you're shopping for vans. You got new options. Here's one of the reasons families love these vans. You got power sliding doors on this thing. That means you can program how it opens, useful in low garage decking, carports. Makes it easier for kids to get in and out of the vehicle. Adjustable height liftgate is a standard across the lineup as well. So on the back here, this is gonna have adjustable height. So we can open this up, and if you're parking this thing in a garage, you don't want it to hit, you can pull it down and then press this button on the inside, allow for an adjustable height with your liftgate. Now this stow and go seats is one of the only vans out there that offers a stow and go seat. So all these seats here will actually fold flat into the floor. Let me show you what that looks like once we're going to fold it down. Here's all those seats folded down into the floor. So 1 minute you could have plenty of seating, next minute room for lumber or whatever else you want to throw inside the back of this thing. As you can see, you do have lots of cargo space inside this Chrysler Pacifica Select. Check out all the room once you have those seats folded down. Looks pretty cool, right? Tons of cargo space inside this thing. When the seats are up, you can store stuff underneath them. I love the small touches, like those little hooks right there. Makes a big deal when the milk's trying to roll over and attack the eggs on the way home from the store. Keeps everything secure. You got USB-C, USB plug-ins in the van as well, as you can see there. Lots of great features to keep the family comfortable and safe. Under the hood, Chrysler's proven 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 produces 287 horsepower, 262 foot-pounds of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth, naturally aspirated, familiar mechanics all across the country. This Pacifica is rated estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city, 28 on the highway, and 22 combined. When properly equipped, the Pacifica can also tow up to 3,600 pounds, which is best-in-class towing. This is an awesome powertrain, and it's the same powertrain that'll be used across all trims. Inside the Select, you get an 8-way power driving seat. As you can see there, you also get heated seats and a heated steering wheel. So it's not just luxury in Missouri, that's going to be survival. Some of the crazy winters we've had here, that's for sure. The cabin has a 3-zone automatic temperature control as well, so the front passengers and rear passengers can adjust the comfort without starting a family argument out there on the road. I know that's true, 100%. And more on that cargo space too. So when I have this seat back up, you can see here, you do have the space. We have that seat in, and this seat right here is up. But look at the cargo space you have available underneath this seat here. As soon as I get that one forward, let's show you what this cargo space looks like. So you can put all sorts of stuff underneath the floor and still have your seat ready to go. Pretty cool, right? In the center, you get a 10.1-inch touchscreen here. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both going to be wireless for you. Available services and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. That's going to be able to hook up 8 devices and work up to 50 feet outside the vehicle. The menus are really simple on this screen here, as you can see down the bottom. They are going to be customizable too. Lots of stuff inside here for your customization, to include stuff like your adaptive cruise control and even the blind spot detection and the lane monitoring system can be adjusted through the infotainment system. So lots of customization for your ease and convenience. For the 27, Chrysler separated the family tech group and from the theater group. So the available family tech group can add features such as FamCam. FamCam is going to be positioned up here. It's going to allow you to see on each individual seat. You also get a 115-volt power outlet, high definition media connection, navigation, additional USB charging, and upgraded audio as well in some of the other trims. So on the Select package, that can include a 13-speaker Alpine system and an 8-way power front seat. The FamCam is especially useful. It lets you check on rear passengers without turning around, driving with your knees, if you will. The family tech group is offered on Select and limited models, which is an exact content varies by trim. Just want to let you guys know of some of the other stuff that's available and some of the updates they've made and other trim models. The new Pinnacle now also comes in the Agave blue interior. Can't wait to show you guys that one. And so for people who want to get that Agave blue or the Pinnacle, you have the full entertainment setup in the Pinnacle that offers Amazon Fire TV. You'll have a little screen right back here for you. Built-in video screens, remote control, USB video connections, Blu-ray player, and a DVD player. In other words, the children can watch a movie while the adults enjoy several minutes of suspiciously peaceful silence. The new theater group is exclusive to the Pinnacle trim, guys. So theater group, you'll have those TV monitors right back here. Pretty cool stuff. Other things, as far as safety sphere, the exact Pacifica has the available safety sphere package that adds a 360 surround view camera. So this one here, you can see you got that surround view camera positioned on your rear view mirrors in the front of the vehicle, so you can see what's going on around. It's front and rear parking assistance, turn signal activated blind spot cameras, camera activation connected to park sense warnings. When you activate the turn signal, you display the blind spot camera view in the center stack. Also, parking sensors on this one too are going to help keep you safe for those slow speed maneuvers around parking lots. One of those great safety features. That's what those little round dots are on the outside of the car. So if you hear beeping, and you don't have to wonder if you're going to hit that trash can outside. New design on this thing up front. You can see they got the extra detailing there, and then the lights. Got the Chrysler written inside the lights. Refreshed front fascia. And even without the optional package, the Pacifica Select includes a serious list of standard driving assistance technology. You get the adaptive cruise control. So that's what this sensor is right there in the front camera. That's going to help you out with driving on those long road trips. Rear cross path protection, lane departure warning, full speed collision warning, pedestrian emergency braking, rear parking assistance, and backup camera. Pacifica actually offers the most standard and safety security features in its class according to Chrysler's current comparison data out there in the market. Here's a shot of what those safety features look like on the steering wheel. So you got all those, you got your blind spot, and then you also have the ability to go in here and adjust all your safety features. Like I was saying before, on the safety and driving assistance, you can adjust your lane departure, lane sense, all that stuff right here through the infotainment system. Lots of customization with these vans. And here's a simple breakdown of the 27 Pacifica lineup. As far as the LX is our more value focused starting point for you. The Select adds features such as power seating, memory seats, upgraded comfort, and more available technology. The Limited moves further into technology with Napa leather, heated ventilated seats, dual pane sunroof. So you'll have a dual pane sunroof up here. Premium audio, additional convenience features. The Pinnacle is the fully loaded flagship offering exclusive blue agave Napa leather interior with copper accents. Premium interior trim. The theater group will be in the back with a 19-speaker Harman Kardon system. So there's lots of different options out there. You just have to choose the one that's most practical for you and your family. This one again is the Pacifica Select. So the Pacifica has been one of the most recognized and most awarded minivans for 10 years consecutive, guys. Pretty sweet stuff. The 27 Chrysler Pacifica is not trying to be a sports car or an off-road monster, as you can see. It's designed to make real life easier. It carries 7 people. The seats disappear into the floor, and the doors disappear. The doors open themselves. The camera helps protect the vehicle, and it has enough comfort and technology for long road trips to make those far less painful. That's for sure. It has enough comfort and technology for long trips, so you can automatically have a 3-row SUV, look serious. Remember, I'm Mark, Dodge Dude KC at Molle, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Just wanted to do one of this Chrysler Pacifica. Haven't done a video in a while. Hopefully you found this useful. Drop a like, comment, or subscribe down below, and let me know what you thought of today's video in the comments. Thanks a bunch.